Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ngayon po ay October 14, 2022, Friday. At 72 days na lang, Pasko na. Mabuhay po kayong lahat at welcome po sa stock market today. Sana po ay hindi po maingay, nasa remote location po tayo. Ang ating balita ay tungkol sa Dito Hotel. Pero bago ang lahat, ako po si Benji Chidoro. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong pang 2007. Binabalita ko po araw-araw ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-active stocks sa Philippine market. At kung gusto niyo po ng content, niimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gusto ipa-review, paki-comment lang po sa comment box at aking pa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Again, Mari, get well soon. We're praying for a quick recovery. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating Philippine Stock Exchange ngayong araw, Friday, October 14, 2022. Dito lang sa The Stock Market Today. Don't go away. Okay, dito po tayo sa ating financial headlines at ang ating top stories are lower pork tariffs to be extended. Central bank faces tough balancing act, says economist. Government budget utilization hits 98% by end of September. Philippine garments industry warns of more layoffs, temporary closures. Sa ating corporate news naman, dito says discussion with PLDT on the 430 million demand ongoing. Aboitiz Power partner to build 90 megawatt wind project in Bicol. IKEA franchise post 41% revenue increase. And store growth boost Figaro Coffee's income by 111% to 198 million. Pero bago lahat, dito po tayo sa ating main news. Dito says discussion with PLDT on 430 million peso demand ongoing. Dito CME Holdings Corp on Thursday said its telecommunications subsidiary Dito Telecommunity Corp is currently in talks with PLDT Inc. about the latter's 430 million demand. In connection with the reported demand letter that was sent by PLDT to our subsidiary Dito Telecommunity believes that there is no material breach, Dito CME said in a disclosure to the stock exchange. It will also ensure that the company will thresh out and exhaust all available remedies. The issue is currently being discussed by both Dito and PLDT. On October 7, the Pangilinan-led PLDT said it had served Dito with a notice of material breach and demand for payment as a result of its refusal to pay the amount of 429.23 million pesos for contracted services which PLDT has fully performed and delivered relating to the building and provisioning of transmission facilities that Dito required and is using for the delivery of telecommunications services. For its part, Dito said it was compelled to enter into an agreement with PLDT for the provisioning of the transmission facilities to allow Dito to interconnect with the subscribers of PLDT's Smart Communications Inc. for the purpose of supporting the parties' obligations under their interconnection agreement. The third telco player said Smart's refusal to augment Dito's capacity to interconnect with the latter subscribers has to no small degree compromised Dito's Smart voice traffic, adding to the underutilization of the initial bandwidth capacity provided by Smart to Dito. Dito, in a series of letters to PLDT, said prior to the delivery of the subject transmission facilities, informed the latter that the same are no longer needed. It added, according to PLDT, its demand has nothing to do with the interconnection capacity issue. PLDT understands that Smart is unable to give DITO any additional bandwidth until DITO agrees to compensate Smart for illegal overseas call traffic that is coming from DITO and which defrauds Smart and the government of legitimate income, PLDT said in a separate statement. Okay, so yan po ang ating main news. Oh, before we proceed with the index, let me just share with you this. Pag-ibig loans for housing hit a record 83 billion. So magandang balita po ito dahil yung HDMF or Pag-ibig ay nag-loan ng 83.3 billion. And this is the highest in 3 quarters from 65.48 billion a year ago. Alam po ninyo, meron pong savings program Pag-ibig. Yan po yung dinideduct sa inyo. Payslip. Kung kayo nagtatrabaho sa office, meron 100 peso deduction sa payslip ninyo. The 100 pesos, another 100 pesos is contributed by the employer. So all in all, ang contribution niyo po sa Pag-ibig in your name under the MP1 savings program is 200 pesos per month. Pero pwede niyo pong dagdagan yan. Ano po? Kasi 200 lang po is the minimum, but you can increase it to, say, 1,000, di ba? Instead of 100 pesos, gawin niyo 1,000. Kasi po, ang nilalagay niyo po dyan, kumikita po yan ng interest, tax-free. Kukuha niyo po. Tax-free po yan. And kung anong ilagay niyo dyan, guaranteed po yan by the Philippine government. Ngayon, there's another savings program. Ang tawag nila is MP2. Yung MP2, mas mataas po ang rate, ang interest rate na binibigay nila. Siguro it's 20 to 50 basis points higher. 25 to 50 basis points higher po yan. More or less. Doon po sa MP1. Yung MP1, pwede nyo pong sabihin sa inyong employer na pakitagdagan mo naman yung contribution ko sa Pag-ibig ng X amount. Dadagdagan po nila yan. Kasi maganda po yan, savings po yan. Pero MP2, you will have to go to Pag-ibig and open that in Pag-ibig itself and make the deposit there. Pero the thing is, the MP2 program has a much higher interest rate. So maganda po yan. It's better than bonds. It's better than T-bills. It's better than time deposit. It's better than an ordinary savings and current account in the bank. Why? Because the principal is guaranteed by the Philippine government and the interest is tax-free. Actually, ang tawag po nila sa interest is dividends. Okay? Yun po. So, kung kayo'y empleyado ng isang kumpanya, sabihin niyo sa employer niyo, dagdagan niyo po ang padagdagan yung savings niyo sa Pag-ibig Fund. Okay po, sideline lang po yun dahil ako po ay one of the customers of Pag-ibig. And hindi lang po ako nagsasabi niyan. You see other vloggers like Marvin Hermo and si Miss JD and the other vloggers out there on wealth management, they would recommend Pag-ibig Fund if you are a conservative investor. Okay? Conservative investor meaning long-term and ayaw nyo na mag-dwindle ang inyong assets. Diyan nyo po ilagay. Okay, so let's now go to the Philippine Stock Exchange and the Philippine Stock Exchange Index on how it performed today. Okay po, lumipat po tayo sa mas tahimik na lugar. At sorry po kanina dahil medyo maingay, remote location po tayo. Pero ngayon po ay nasa remote location pa rin po tayo but mas tahimik na lugar. Tingnan po natin ang nangyari sa PSE Index. Umakyat po siya, almost flat, 9.11 points or 0.15% up, nasa 5904.75 sa Friday na ito. Samantalang RSI ay mababa pa rin, nasa 36.68. Samantala, ang ating mga stocks na umabante ay 115, 70 ang nag-decline at 40 at ang hindi nagbago. Ang all-share index, 0.41% ang akyat. Samantala naman, ang financials, industrials, mining at properties ay umakyat at ang holding companies at services ay bumaba. So, tingnan po natin ang mga top stocks na nag-figure out sa ating trading ngayong araw. Tingnan po natin, yung news natin kanina ay dito. So, tingnan po natin si dito, si Medic, si RLC, Glow, URC at Semirara. So, umpisa na po natin ang ating talakayan using technical analysis. Unahin po natin si dito. Si dito po ay umakyat po ng bahagya, pero oversold pa rin po siya. At I think ito na po ang pinaka mababa ni dito. Tingnan natin ang 1-week chart. Okay. So support level na po siya and there is a lower support pa, no? Dito po noong March 2020 nung nag-pandemic. Yan po yung pinaka lower support niya, nandito po sa 119. But it went as high as kasagsagan po ni dito, February 2021 eh. So, ang high po niya ay nasa 1765, pero ang presyo niya ngayon ay 261. Yan po yung support level ni dito. At bearish po ang dating ni dito, it's oversold. Pagkatapos po naman, tingnan natin si Medic. Si Medic, okay, baba po tayo ng 1 day. Yan, umakyat po si Medic, ano? At napakalayo po doon sa IPO price niya na 225, ano? At ngayon ay nasa 67 centavos, but yesterday, ang closing price po niya ay nasa 62. So, umakyat po siya ng 8%. In the meantime, support level ay nandito po sa area to, nasa 58.46. And mukhang mas mataas po ang presyo niya kaysa sa moving average, meaning nagkaroon po siya ng marked improvement, or with volume, no? So I would say that this is a breakout since this is the highest increase in the stock in the past 2 weeks with volume. And then let's take a look at RLC. Si RLC naman po ay yan, ganun din, ano? Umakyat po siya at meron pong volume, meron po siyang breakout dito. Ang dati niyang resistance ay nandito po. Ito po, area po yan. Dito po, na-break po niya yung kanyang resistance. Yung dating support ay nandito po sa 1551. Ito po yung dati niyang resistance na ngayon ay bagong support. But the previous support is 1551. Umakyat po ang RSI nasa 50 pesos na po. Pagkatapos po naman si Glow. Si Glow ay moving sideways si Glow. 2,200. Tapos 30, no? Increase niya. And it's moving sideways. Maganda pangitain po yan. Dahil yung SRO po niya is 1680 eh. So support, nandito po sa area to, nasa 1983. Pero yung kanyang SRO nasa 1680, which is about a 20% discount. At moving sideways lang po si Glow with RSI at 54. Tingnan na natin kung meron siyang, hindi ko na tingnan yung kanyang, gusto ko sanang tingnan yung fundamentals niya. Tingnan natin, sa balik tayo kay Glow. Okay, si Glow ay yan. Nasa 1983 po yung kanyang support level. And in general, it's moving sideways. Yung RSI po niya ay a bit above the midpoint at 54.36. Meron po siyang SRO na 1680, a good 20% discount. Then, let's go to URC. Si URC ay, okay, meron po siyang support at 110, pero support and resistance po, hindi po yun exact points. Overall, bearish pa po si RLC. At tignan natin yung kanyang fundamentals. URC, hindi nyo po nakikita ito, no? Ako lang nakakita. May buy rating po siya at 145 or 33% upside based po sa kanyang fundamentals. But bearish po ang URC sa ngayon. Finally, we have SCC. Si SCC ay, moving sideways, medium to short term, pero yung kanyang long-term indicator nasa ilalim pa po, no? But there appears to be signs of tapering off. So yung ating pinaka-support level, let's take EMA 100 at 38.35, yan pong pinaka-support level po niya. At yung pinaka-resistance level ay nandito po sa area to, more or less po nandito po sa, yan, nasa 42.94. Okay po, yan po ang ating report sa stock market, ika-14 ng Oktubre. So, kalahating buwan na po tayo, napakabilis. Ito po si Benji Chidoro nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay at hanggang sa muli, happy weekend, stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.